It is a great honor and pleasure to host here the IVEC 2025 conference.
And this broad definition of civic action.
It's been a pleasure being at the IVEC conference talking about peace education in academia. Peace education is very important in these challenging social times to encourage more action-orientedness and student engagement in societal affairs and issues.
So the International Virtual Exchange Conference is dedicated to bringing together leaders in the field of education who are passionate about connecting communities and connecting learners across borders. This is a group of educational leaders and practitioners that are trying their best to address issues that challenge us in the world that we live in. The problem of stereotypes, specifically cultural stereotypes, as well as false conceptions and notions about the others. So through virtual exchange, we can try to address these issues by allowing intercultural communication, as well as allowing learners to learn from each other through exchange of knowledge.
This conference for us is aligned with the priorities of the Hellenic Mediterranean University, which is the internationalization and extroversion of the curricula, of the ecosystem, and of the whole atmosphere within our university. We would like our students to feel that they belong not only to Hellenic Mediterranean University, but to a global world. And this is exactly what IVEC has offered to us as a university, and knowledge and expertise from all these participants that they have arrived here in Heraklion, Crete, in order to transfer and discuss with us the good policies, the good practices regarding the development of virtual exchange and collaborative open international learning.
So with the advancements that are taking place right now in the field of technology and in the video conferencing ecosystems, it's very important for us as educators to integrate these tools to allow us to engage the learners with each other, with the communities that they live in, as well as with communities that are in different countries and in different locations.
Happy to see that finally at this conference, contributions that are concerned with marginalized voices in virtual exchange, with controversial topics, engaging students in collaborative project work that encourages them to think outside of the box and engage in conflict transformation and contribute to peace building through virtual exchange. There is more criticality in IVEC than there has been so far.
I see COIL as a way to give students the skills to become global-minded. Global citizenship is important for institutions even to become partners and to really collectively learn how to adapt when dealing with diverse people.
I see a lot of familiar faces, colleagues here. I see a lot of new faces, and it's very important for us to grow as a field and for people to be interested in virtual exchange. This has been great, a great experience, and I'm sure a lot of people will agree with me. Looking forward to the next IVEC.
Virtual internationalization for sure will promote physical mobilities and also will establish strong networks with universities within Europe and beyond Europe. So stay tuned.